Welcome to To Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alfred, and joining us on this episode is Chef Bryan Ledet, Executive Chef at Terrebonne General Health System. As families and students start to gear up for the new school year, Chef Bryan has a nutritious back-to-school breakfast or treat to ensure that everyone has a healthy food option for their busy schedules. Welcome to the show, Chef Bryan.
Thank you.
All right, tell us a little bit more about yourself and your role as a chef at Terrebonne General.
So I'm Chef Bryan. I am the executive chef here at the hospital. I've been here for almost 10 years total, in my role for almost 6.
All right, and I see you have a special guest with us today. Would she like to introduce herself, or you can introduce her to us?
This is my daughter, Michaela. She is almost 7 years old in a couple weeks and going to second grade.
Okay, so she is a student getting ready to go back to school, right? All right, she's lucky to have you as a dad to give her all kinds of good and nutritious foods. So let's just talk about that for a second before you get started on the recipe. Why is it important for children to have healthy, nutritious snacks?
So with Michaela, she has juvenile arthritis. So we tend to go to healthier, more anti-inflammatory recipes to follow. Sometimes they deserve a treat, but it's just good to give them healthy foods because it gives them energy during the day, especially those long school days.
Right. And why is it good to have children help in the kitchen?
It just helps teach them valuable life skills. It teaches them how to be organized, how to time management, just all around good, fun.
Yeah. Do you like cooking?
Yeah.
All right. Well, what are you preparing for us today?
So today we're going to be preparing banana strawberry Nutella French toast sticks.
All right. Well, I'm going to get out the way and leave you to it. You and Michaela.
Thank you. All right, so we're going to start with Michaela is going to roll out 2 slices of bread. One's white, one's wheat. You can do either or. If your kids like white, go with white. If they okay with wheat, just go with wheat. And obviously they're kids. I had to cut the crust off. So you roll that out. And while she rolls that out, I'm just gonna slice some banana and slice strawberries. We're looking for pretty thin slices here because the bread is a little small and it'll be easier to roll up. And for each slice, I'm going to cut it in half. And I'll do the same thing with the strawberries. All right, now Michaela, go ahead and spread some Nutella on both of those breads, please. And the key is to try to get it all the way to the edges to where when you roll it up, it'll stick. I'm going to help her out a little bit. And while she finishes that one, I'm just going to layer alternating strawberry, banana, strawberry, banana, and I'm going to roll it up. Everything has to be perfect with her. Let's go. All right, I'm going to do the same thing, strawberry, banana, strawberry, banana. Roll it up. Now to my pan, I'm just going to add a few tablespoons of butter just to get melting. Move that around a little bit. Now here I just have a couple of eggs and some cinnamon, just your basic French toast liquid. I'm going to dip that real quick and just throw it in the pan. going to let that cook up a couple minutes on each side. We're just going to keep turning it around to try to brown all 4 sides. And these can be made ahead of time. You can make a bunch ahead, put them in Ziploc bags, put them in the freezer. They'll be good 3 to 6 months, and just take them out the night before you need them, let them defrost, throw them in the microwave in the morning for breakfast, and 30 seconds in the microwave, and they're perfect. All right. I'm gonna pull these off. And that's it.
Thanks, Chef Bryan and Michaela, for that healthy recipe.
Thanks for having us.
For more information about this recipe and other healthy recipes, visit tghealthsystem.com. That's all for To Your Health today. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Rhonda Alfred, and I'll see you right back here next week.